Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Microsoft Excel makes available a forecasting tool. Use it at your own with whatever discretion you want. It was made available starting 2019, and I'll just show you how it works. You go into the ribbon, you go to data, and then we're going to go over to this forecasting sheet. And what we're going to do, I just have Microsoft's profit and loss for the last 10 years, ending in 2022. For this to work, what you need to do is just grab the date. Here, I'm just going to forecast revenue. Hit the forecast sheet. Here is a preliminary review. This is their forecast. They have a lower and upper and lower confidence level. You can go to this option feature, which this dialog box does, or this display box, you can't toggle. It's locked in here. So I don't know what's going on down below here. That's what it is, okay? This works for you. Close up the option deal and then hit create. And this is what Excel spits out. Grab this model here, grab it down. Here's the date, profit and loss, which isn't right. And it says total revenue, which isn't right either. See, that's the problem. You have to go in and manipulate this. This is just a date, and then here are the sales, and here are the projected sales. It says projected sales will increase, and this is revenue, and it's not right. The forecasted revenue through 2025 is 252 billion, and which is a little extreme. The lower confidence is 198, and the higher confidence is 305. They're saying the mid-range is 252 billion, the lower is 198, and the higher is 305. Now that's a hell of a growth rate, and you can use this for whatever it's worth. But this is the revenue forecasting tool Excel provides. Brad Williams, Excel Prime.